In this problem, we're trying to figure out this number and this number, okay? And that will be back to knee lengths in between those. And it is, we know the area or probability in the tail, if they say it's less than 0.01, the probability of x, either greater or less than, the probability is actually 0.1. So this is 0.01 in the tail, and this is 0.01 in the tail. So you go to pH stat, and if you're going to find this number, it's going to be x less than or equal to, and you're going to leave that blank. But over here in this box, you're going to put the probability, and that's 0.01. And that's after you've entered in a mu of 23.5 and a sigma of 1.2. And that's going to give you 20.7. And then to find this one, it's going to be x greater than or equal to, leave that blank, equal to 0.01. And that number is going to be 26.3. So back to knee lengths greater than 20, let me change colors, 20.7, and those are plus or minus 0.1 tolerance on these answers. And this one's going to be 26.3. So if, so back to knee lengths greater than 20.6, greater than this, and less than this, less than 26.3, will give you in between those two numbers. And then the question says, use these criteria. Is a back to length of 25.7 significantly high? Okay, and 25.7 would be in here somewhere. 25.7. So we'd say a back to knee length of 25.7 is not significantly high because it's inside, in between these two numbers. And I think that's all we have to do for this question. Hope that's better.